हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम पार्ट बी का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि था विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। ए इक्वल्स टू ए बी सी, ए बी ई ए डबल बी। ए बी सी डबल बी बिलोंग्स टू ए, एप्सिलॉन बिलोंग्स टू ए, एप्सिलॉन may not belongs to A, ABCA belongs to A. Let us discuss each option one by one. To analyze the given option and determine the correct answer, let first understand the set A and then evaluate each option. The set A equals to ABC, AABA, epsilon A double B appears to be set containing two subsets ABC, AABA, epsilon A double B. Let's evaluate each option. ABC double B belongs to A. This option check if the string ABC BB belongs to set A. Looking at A, the first subset contain ABC and double A BA, and the second subset contain epsilon A and double B. ABC BB does not match any element in the subset of A. Therefore, ABC double B epsilon A. Epsilon belongs to A. This option check if the string belongs to set A. The second subset of A explicitly contain epsilon. Therefore, epsilon belongs to A. Epsilon may not be belongs to A. This statement is incorrect. Based on the definition of A, as epsilon is explicitly included in the second subset of A. Therefore, epsilon does not belongs to A, and this statement is false. Last option, ABC A belongs to A. This option check if the string ABCA belongs to set A. ABCCA does not match any element in the subset of A. Therefore, ABCCA belongs to A. Based on the analysis, the correct answer is B. Epsilon belongs to A. This is the only option that correctly identify the empty string epsilon is included in the set A. Thank you.